This video discusses why women could be more smarter than men. We all know that there are many factors that contribute to the intelligence of an individual. For instance, studies have shown that, if a pregnant woman feeds on lots seafood or fish, that woman will have higher chances having a smart if not, genius baby. On the same note, countries where people eat lots of fish tend to have the most intelligent people. Also, there is geographic factor. For instance, it is as if people from Singapore, Hong Kong, South Korea, Taiwan and Japan are the world's countries with the most smart people. Though surprisingly, seafood is among their top dishes too. The above shows that there are many factors that come into play and determine how smart an individual will be. Hello. Welcome to Mark Medicals. Follow Mark Medicals on YouTube and Facebook. Leaving those factors aside, there is also enough research out there that shows that gender performance differ in various subjects or tasks. For instance, most studies have found that men perform better in science and women do well in humanities. But leaving those factors aside, there are biological-based evidence that suggests that women are more intelligent than men. Actually, a study done in UK found out that for students between 8 to 18, girls beat boys in every intelligence projects. This factor stems from the human brain. The human brain has so many parts or regions. Each brain region serves specific function. For instance, there is a region responsible for reasoning, there is a brain region responsible emotion, there is brain region for learning, region for control and coordination, etc. Though the brain has about 5 major brain regions depending on how you want to divide it, those regions can be subdivided into about 38 sub-regions. It is interesting to note that those brain sub-regions tend to differ in how active they are, depending on the stimulus subjected to them. So some brain regions are more active than others. So many studies done have found out that for a similar task, women have so many active brain regions than men. For instance, for a certain tasks, women could have 30 active brain sub-regions to 23 in men. Following the old adage which goes, 2 heads are better than one can easily conclude that women are more smarter than men. The study, published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease, found that women's brains were significantly more active in many more areas than men's, especially in the prefrontal cortex, which is involved in focus and impulse control, and the limbic or emotional areas of the brain responsible for mood and anxiety. Emotional intelligence is responsible for 58% of performance in all types of jobs, and 90% of top performers are high in EQ. Since women have this emotional region highly active compared to men, then women could be more smarter. New research suggests women's brains are about 4 years younger than men's of the same age, and as they age, they'll remain mentally sharp for longer than if they were men. This also shows that women remain intelligent much longer than men. On a negative side, the study also revealed increased blood flow in limbic areas of the brains of women, which may also partially explain why women are more prone to anxiety, depression, insomnia, and eating disorders. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.